Students, today we are going to discuss few problems in atoms and molecular chapter. See, first one is valency of iron in FeCl2 and FeCl3. So, in coming to the definition of the valency, what is the valency here? So, note down everyone. Open the running note down. So, valency is defined as combining capacity of, note down, the combining capacity of the combining capacity of an atom is called as valency. Very important, my dear. So define valency, the combining capacity of an atom. So what combination here? Combining is nothing but combination here. Cations or anions both combining. And second thing is, second definition for the valency is the number of electron present in outermost orbit. So number of electrons outermost orbit లో present అయి ఉంటే అలాంటి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ని ఏమంటామంటే వాలెన్సీ అంటున్నాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ న్యూక్లియస్, అరౌండ్ ద న్యూక్లియస్ orbit, see here nucleus, inside the nucleus protons, neutrons are present in the nucleus. And this orbit is nothing but the circular part around the nucleus is called as orbit. What is orbit? The circular part around the nucleus is called as orbit. Electrons are located in the orbit. Electrons are located in orbit. So now how many are there here? Electron, proton, neutron. See here, electron, proton and neutron. These three particles are called as fundamental particles. Note down. The fundamental particle of atom is fundamental particles of atoms are electron, proton, neutron. In simpler way, what you want to remember is pen. Do you know pen? No? P and pen. P proton, E electron, N neutron. So pen like that you want to remember. See here. Suppose see here. So this is a outermost orbit. Here two orbit here. Any orbitals ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? Orbits ఉన్నాయి 1 and 2. Two orbits ఉన్నాయి. In these two, this is inner orbit. This one is outer orbit. Inner orbit, outer orbit. Outer అంటే బయట చివరగా ఉండే ఆర్బిట్ ని అవుటర్ ఆర్బిట్ అంటున్నాం here. ఇక what I am asking you guys, what I am saying, the number of electron present in outermost orbit of the atom. Outermost orbit లో ఉండే number of electron ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే valency అంటున్నాం. Once I am repeating, the number of electrons present in outermost orbit of the atom is called as valency. See, now you count and tell me number of electrons present in outermost orbit. 1, 2, 3. The 3 electrons outermost orbit లో ఉన్నాయి. So outermost orbit లో ఉండే electrons 3 కాబట్టి now ఈ ఆటం యొక్క valency ఎంత? సింపుల్ గా ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ చూసి చెప్పేశారు. ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ లో outermost orbit లో electrons 3 ఉన్నాయి. Number of electrons is 3. I told you guys the valency is 3. Valency 3, which group of element contain valency 3? third group element. I told you, you guys, the number of groups is equal to in few cases is equal to valency. I told you. Now valency is 3. Now valency is 3. Which group elements? Third group element. Third group elements contain valency 3. So third group element, next example is aluminum. Next, see here, number of valency here. Nitrogen, not nitrogen, aluminum. Nitrogen is different out there. So aluminum Al3 plus 1, Al3 plus. So this is a valency. So but here the valency of iron in FeCl2. See here, FeCl2 and FeCl3. ఈ FeCl2 and FeCl3 లో Fe ఉంది. Fe అంటే ఏంటి? ఐరన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద లాటిన్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్? ఫెర్రమ్. సో ఇక్కడ బ్యాలెన్సీ కొనుక్కోవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే సింపుల్గా దీన్ని క్యాటయన్స్ అనేదిగా డివైడ్ చేయాలి. సి ఫస్ట్ Fe నో FeCl గా విడగొట్టిన తర్వాత ఐరన్ ఇస్ అ క్యాటయన్ ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ Cl మైనస్. చూడండి 2 ఎందుకు రాస్తాం ఇక్కడ? why you are writing 2 here? 2 suppose for crisscross method చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ 2 ని రైట్ యాజ్ సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ ఫర్ ద క్లోరిన్ సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్ గా రాస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి FeCl2 Fe2 plus and Cl minus Fe2 plus and Cl minus గా మనం రాస్తున్నాం. సో now in this formula FeCl2 formula lo what is the valency of iron? The valency of iron, note down, valency of iron is 2. And here Fe, write there Fe3 plus and Cl minus. Fe3 for crisscross method again you want to write FeCl3. This 3 you write as a subscript for the chlorine. Now here iron 3 plus. This number of cations is represent valency. I told you guys. Now Fe valency is 3. Now valency of iron is 2, 3. So like this you want to write down, my dear. So next here CaOH is taken twice. CaOH taken twice. So in the formula, what is the valency of the calcium? Anyone? Suppose you know very well the calcium is present in the second group element. The second group element contain second. So valency is 2. So like this one, remember Ca2 plus OH minus. Ca2 plus OH minus. So now this class what you want to do? Ca2 plus the valency of calcium is 2. Like this. You want to remember. Okay. Next. So next question is convert into mole. See my dear, I am writing formula here. Note down. Mole. The symbol of mole is M. The mole is equal to given molecular mass by gram molecular weight. Given molecular mass by gram molecular weight. ఇక్కడ given molecular weight అంటే ఏమంటే సింపుల్ గా ఏం రాస్తామంటే GMW. Okay, you can remember GMM. Given molecular mass and gram molecular weight, GMW, given molecular weight. So you have to remember this formula for finding mole. So I told you guys, mole is nothing but group of particles. So one mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 particle I told you. Okay. And here what you want to do is given molecular mass in this, first 2 gram of O2 gas. 2 gram of O2 gas. So what you want to do is here, so given mass mole M is equal to given mass. So number which I 12 gram only. 12 gram is the given mass. So here given mass 12 by gram molecular weight. So in gram molecular weight, how to find oxygen? Number of oxygen is 2. So actually one oxygen atomic mass is 16. How many oxygen are there? 2. So here 16 into 2 is equal to 32 grams. 32 grams. So what you want to do? 12 by 32 mole. So 12 gram. Okay. Oxygen 8 atomic number is 8 and 16 into 2. 8. So double atomic mass is 16. 16 into 2, 32. So here M. So easy. So 12 6. 12 1 12 6. Okay. And 2 3s. 2 by 3. So mass M is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is simplified. So 2. So here 0.0. So 2 3 6 18 no. Again 0 6. So simply you can write down. So M is equal to 0.66. So mole is equal to 0.66. Okay, note down. And next one is 20 gram of water. 20 gram of water. So in this 20 gram of water, 20 gram of water. So you want to find mole M is equal to given molecular mass by gram molecular weight. So in this what you want to do is gram molecular mass 20 by given 20 molecular mass water H2O. Find the molecular mass of H2O. Hydrogen 1 into 2 plus oxygen 16. Okay, 2 plus 16 is equal to 20. 18. 2 plus 16 18. Now 20 by 18. Now simplify this. So 2 9 2 10. 2 9 2 10. So 10 by 9. Again you simplify 10 by 9. So 9 ones 9 point. So 1.1. 1 point. So 1. So M is equal to 1.1 mole. 1.1 mole. And next one. And find write down the formula. Find 22 C1. C. 22 gram of CO2. What is CO2? Carbon dioxide. CO2 is the carbon dioxide. So here given molecular mass is 22 gram. 22 gram. Next, gram molecular weight of carbon dioxide here. So you want to calculate carbon. Number of carbon is 1. So atomic mass of carbon 12. So 12 plus oxygen 16 into 2 and 2 12 plus 32. So 34 and 44. Okay. So write down formula here. Now any mole is equal to gram molecular mass or given molecular mass given G given M mass mole molecule M is mass given molecular mass by gram molecular weight and here GMM 22 by 44. Okay, 12 to 12 4. So 2 1 2 4. So N is equal to 1 by 2. In 1 by 2 what you want to write is 0.5 moles. And next one is you want to calculate number of particles. You want to calculate number of particles and see here next one, note down everyone. See here, calculate the number of particles. See my dear, very simple. For calculation of number of particles, what you want to do is first you calculate the mole. So if you found mole number of particles, very easy. So what you want to do is first one number of particles. Finding number of particles. You want to calculate number of particles. So first one 46 grams of Na. 46 gram of Na. Na is nothing but sodium. Mole, you want to calculate the mole. Mole formula, mole is equal to given molecular mass by gram molecular weight. So gram molecular weight. So I am simply writing here my dear, given molecular mass is 46 number right here, write as a numerator, and denominator the sodium molecular mass is or atomic mass of sodium is 23 my dear. Atomic number is 11. Atomic mass is 23. So 23 2. Now mole is equal to mole is equal to what you want to write is 2 mole. See my dear, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particle. 1 mole of atoms or molecule is contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particle. 2 mole, simple what you want to do is multiply it to 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 and get 6 into 2 12.044 into 10 power 23. So you can now say that 46 grams of sodium is contained 12.044 into 10 power 23 particle. Okay, and next you write down you calculate 8 gram of O2. 8 gram of O2. Same formula here. Number of particles B. 8 gram of O2. Same formula. First calculate mole. So in the mole given molecular mass by given molecular weight here. So what to do here? Given molecular mass 8. Oxygen, not oxygen here. Oxygen molecule O2 gram molecular weight is equal to 32. Actually oxygen 16 into 2 32. So here 32. Okay, simple. 8 4 32 no? And here 1 by 4 in 1 by 4 0.25 1 by 4 2 by 1 by 4. The mole is 1 by 4 mole. So you want to calculate here number of particle you want to calculate. So 1 mole, actually 1 mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 power 23. So 1 by 4 what would be 1 by 4 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So like this you want to write down. So only to simplify. So 1 see 8 gram of oxygen molecule is contained 1 by 4th Avogadro number of the particles is contained 1 by 4th of Avogadro number. So 6.022 into 10 power 23. This number is called as Avogadro number. This number is constant number, Avogadro number. Okay. And here, on next fourth one, last one, calculate the mass of the following. Very important. Calculate here. Calculate the mass of the following. Mass of the following. You want to calculate the mass of the following. A 0.4 mole of N2 gas. 0.5 mole of N2 gas. Here mole given and N2 gas is given. Mass very simple. For finding the mass, same formula. Mole is equal to I told you guys, you want to find given mass by molecular mass, gram molecular weight or gram molecular mass. And here by here mole value is given. How much mole value? 0.5 mole and N2. So given mass market, you want to find the mass. So in the N2 you want to find molecular mass of N2. Actually the nitrogen atomic number is 7. Note down. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. Mass of atomic mass of the sodium 14. So 14 into 2. Where are we into here? Number of nitrogen is 2 is equal to 28 here. Remember my dear. So gram molecular weight 28 and 28 same this side rearrangement. So 0.5 write as 1 by 2 into 28 is equal to mass. So 214 28 no? So now mass is equal to 14 grams. Mass is equal to 14 grams. Suppose the mass we are representing in the form of gram, you can say the molar mass. So molecular mass, suppose U, unified mass, R, AMU, atomic mass unit. So like this you want to write down. And last one is not down. Last one 0.5 mole of Na atom, sodium atom. 0.5 mole of sodium atom you want to find mass. So mole is equal to, you want to find mass by gram molecular weight rearrangement. We require mass. So gram molecular weight set this side. So mole into gram molecular weight is equal to mass. So mole, what is mole here? Mole 0.5. Gram molecular weight don't know. So sodium 23. Okay, and is equal mass. So for simplification, so 1 by 2 into 23. So what is answer? 11.5. See here, 2 ones, 2 again, 2 ones, 2 5. So 11.5 is equal to mass. So now what is answer? Mass is equal to 11.5 grams. So now the mass are representing in the gram. You can say that molar mass. Molar mass. What is the molar mass? The mass expressed in the gram is called as molar mass. The mass expressed in AMU, atomic mass unit, or unified mass. Unified mass. So 11.5. So like this you want to have to remember, my dear.